Assembly. And our political desk here on KTN News will be keeping you in the know as the matter unfolds. And the Kongamano la Katiba has blamed what they term as a leadership crisis for the country's political and economic turmoil. Speaking in Nairobi earlier, the group says the ongoing BBI process was a case of misplaced priorities that serve only the interests of the political class. Makueni Governor Professor Kivutha Kibwana holds that they are seeking an interpretation from the Supreme Court of the constitutionality of the BBI process.
We have established strong structures to facilitate civic education and public participation up to the village level. And we have 43 villages in a population of 1 million. Why deep and genuine reflection needed in amending Constitution? As governor and a teacher of constitutional law, I'm aware that constitution making or changing the Constitution is one of the most critical activity that citizens must be informed about and freely engage in. Constitutions, unlike statutes, endure for generations. Decisions made today about the Constitution will certainly affect generations to come, likely for decades. Beyond the enduring nature of provisions of the Constitution, a Constitution is important for many other reasons. In a society like ours, a constitution affects people's daily economic fortunes. We have seen, for example, the impact introducing devolution through our constitution has in people's daily lives, with marked improvement on agriculture, infrastructure, and provision of other means of livelihood, such as water and basic health care. It is for these reasons, and especially how the constitution affects people's lives, livelihood and freedoms, that I believe that any proposal to amend the 2010 Constitution must be assessed with utmost seriousness. The enduring nature of any amendments we make to the Constitution imposes on us as leaders the responsibility to ensure changes that we propose are not motivated by personal gain but by a duty of patriotism to our country, the need to facilitate positive progress for our country, and importantly, we believe that whatever changes proposed advance the socio-economic well-being of the people of Kenya. The 2010 Constitution has provided us with a strong foundation for a nation that is governed by the rule of law and that strongly cares and works to achieve socio-economic advancement of the Kenya people based on the values enumerated in Article 10. In my view, the values in Article 10 must be our minimum checklist in deciding whether to and what type of constitutional amendments.
Now, the quest to have the once vibrant Mumias Sugar Company revived also took center stage during the burial of the late Matungu Member of Parliament, Justice Murunga. The leaders said they would only support the politicians who would help resuscitate the company that employed thousands of Western residents. The company has been bedridden for years following many issues